Hey guys, good morning. It's day 4 of Vlogmas. It's not 9. It's 9 something. So, yeah, I'm about to come on, Milano. Me and Milano about to go for a run because y'all thought I was playing. And I don't think nobody take me serious when I say I be running, but I used to run track, y'all. I be physical out here in these streets. So hopefully he can keep up with me. Let me show y'all. I got my waist trainer on. Not my waist trainer, but it's like a sweatband. I got my sweatband on so I could be snatched. I'm still waiting for my regular waist trainer so I can wear that during the day. But I'm not playing with y'all. So when I come back looking right, I don't want to lose no weight. I like my thickness. I just want to get toned. So I'm finna run and do squats and abs and all that great stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna run and then I'm gonna come in and do some low workouts, and then that's gonna be my workout for today. So yeah, I probably won't record when I run because that's just fucking weird. I'll see y'all when I get back in the house. And yes, I lost 2. I need to glue them back on. I'm gonna glue them back on. I got them. So yeah, I'll catch y'all. Well, we'll catch y'all on the flip side. And today is Mom's birthday, but we're not celebrating until we get back from our run. All right, y'all. I don't know. It looked like I'm so out of breath because I am, but I just came back from my run. It took me like 23 minutes, so definitely got to work on my time because it was only a mile. So yeah, or it's like a mile and a half, but it has a lot of hills. So like when you first get out there and you haven't been out there in a while, it is tough. Like I couldn't run the whole thing. I probably walked for like 5 minutes or so because I was just like out of breath, and then like I didn't run full speed. I jogged. So we're gonna keep working on the time. I'm about to do some squats, crunches and stuff in here. And then I'm gonna be done and get in the shower and do all of that stuff. So yeah.
You asking for pictures with niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, niggas. I'm trying to Codeine had a young nigga swerving. I got the mop, watch me wash him like detergent. And I'm ballin' outside.
Alright, y'all. I think I'm done. Y'all, I just realized like I'm missing 2 nails. Milano. I'm missing 2 nails on this one and 1 on this one, but I only got 2 nails in here. I don't know. This one must have fell. Milano. This one must have fell on my run. I'm pissed because I'm supposed to fucking go out this weekend. I'm supposed to go out if I don't have a nail. Like, that shit is so fucking ghetto. Milano, please, 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 please. And I don't want to go nowhere Saturday to get them done real quick because I'm going to just end up taking them off again for my actual nail appointment in 2 weeks. So, I don't know. Y'all, that workout was intense. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, y'all. Ooh, it feels good, though. Like, hold on. Let me turn this off. It feels good, though. That's why, oh, look at the sweat. That's why I like working out, because it's hard, but like when you do it, you feel so good. So definitely gonna be doing this more often. I wanted to record the first time, everything, even though everything looks a little rough. So maybe I'll record again in like 2 weeks and show y'all I can actually do stuff. So yeah, let me show you guys what this look like when I take it off. All the sweat. Yeah, so let's go upstairs. Okay, guys. So it moved a little bit. Like over here, it moved. Oops, that's not doing. Over here, it moved, but over here, it stayed down. So yeah, that's why I need my waist trainer. Cause look, it came up. It's supposed to be down, covering all of that fat. That's how it's supposed to be. But anyway, okay. So let's see. Woo. Oh my gosh, y'all. So much sweat. Sorry y'all can see my underwear. This might be gross, but look at all that sweat. Whew. That's a lot of sweat, y'all. That's why I like this though. Cause, bro, like, I'm fat now, but y'all can't even see my face, but I'm fat now, but I'm gonna be snatched. Cause, oh, that's a lot of sweat. Right. That's crazy. Whew. So, yeah, all of this, y'all see this? All of this gonna be gone. All of this right here. This right here. My back fat. That's gonna be gone. All of it. So, yeah. I'm definitely gonna keep working out. I'm gonna have my sweaty ass in the shower though. I will see y'all when it's time to eat. Alright guys, I just got out the shower. As you can see from my wet hair and my shiny face, I'm clean. Yeah, I'm washing clothes, about to get something to eat for breakfast. And yeah, I'm washing clothes because I needed to wash clothes. I didn't have anything to wear. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Oh yeah, I popped all my nails off because I was like, I don't want to walk around with one nail missing. So I feel like I have hair in my eye. So if one comes off, they all come off. So I popped them off. I'm gonna see if I can get gel tomorrow morning and like see how that goes. If not, I'll just paint them myself. I want them to match my toes, which is like a light pink purple. So yeah. All right, I'm about to turn the radio off so I don't get demonetized. Time to bring Milano his birthday outfit. Who's the birthday boy?
Bitch, I'm a mother!
Who's the birthday boy? You're the birthday boy. Show them your hoodie. Show them your... Show. He always wants rubs. You're the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manano. Happy birthday to you. have a treat for you. I have a treat for you. Alright guys, I got Milano these cookies. I hope he likes them. Let's see. Alright. You get a cupcake. Oh. Hard to do this with one hand. Huh. Eat a cupcake. I don't think he knows how to eat it, y'all. Do you need me to cut it for you? Look what he did to his stuffed animal.
I'm looking at you, and I'm not blinking. Help me, nigga!
I think he's gonna be going to town on this all damn day. Alright, well, he's not really eating it yet. He's licking the icing off. For breakfast, I have 2 boiled eggs and some ham. And if I have a side bowl in here, I'll fix that. Do I have one? Or am I have one. I may fix that. I have some granola and honey, so I might do that if I'm still hungry. Oh, and then for my drink, I'm about to have some water with some apple cider vinegar in there. You know, trying to be healthy. I just really need to change my eating and like eat clean and eat better because it's trash right now. It's really trash, y'all. Alright, y'all, it's 1:17 and I'm finna end this vlog here. I ain't doing shit today but working. So yeah. Oh, and just so y'all know, tomorrow's vlog is gonna be up late because I'm not gonna be home tomorrow evening. So Vlogmas day 5 and day 6 will be uploaded on the same day. So yeah, I'll see y'all on Sunday. Bye.